Hello my soapers! Welcome to my channel, Gabrieles Miss and Rosemary, also known as vivikarrina, and I got a surprise in the mail! I got a surprise in the mail! Yeah, let me see. She sent me a surprise in the mail! I was like, oh my god! Oh my god! I wasn't waiting for something, but I got a Mother's Day gift from Renee. You can go and visit her channel. I will link it down below. She's an awesome person. I love her so much. She's a very good person, and she do donations to the homeless and shelters and stuff and such. And she's just great. She's a beautiful person. And when I am like in very depressed, she hears, she listens to what you need to say, and she's a beautiful person. I recommend her as a friend, her channel. She's awesome. And I got this was a surprise for me. I wasn't expecting anything from anyone, but I got something. And oh my god, thank you. Oh, smells good. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So beautiful wrapping, yeah. My name. Oh, thank you so much. I love you so much, Renee. You're a beautiful person, and I am very blessed to have you in my life, to get to know you in this soapy community. You are my sister, soapy sister, and I love you dearly. Thank you so very much. Oh, it's so cute. So beautiful. Oh, I saw her making this. Look how pretty. This is a very beautiful soap. Oh my god. And arrived exactly May 10. Mother's Day for Mexicans, for Hispanic people. 1316. And I was thinking about this verse yesterday night, que de tal manera amó Dios al mundo que dio su Hijo unigénito para que todo aquel que en él crea no se pierda, mas tenga vida eterna. Juan 3:16. I know it in Spanish. I just said it. I love that verse. That I grow up with that in my mind. This is such a beautiful gift. Thank you so much. You don't know how much this meant to me. I'm so blessed. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day to every mother in here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so happy. Oh my god. Blessings and hugs, and I love you all. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my videos. You don't know how much that means to me, because every time I see all those likes and all those comments, make me want to make more videos, be more creative, and do more in here in my workshop. So thank you so very much for being here with me, people. I love you all. Blessing, and to the next video. Bye bye.